My dear student, today topic is gene mutation in chromosome. We have already studied that mutation is the change in gene and chromosome. The mutation in chromosome is already studied in the previous classes. And today we will study about gene mutation in chromosome. It is two types: gene mutation in autosomes, gene mutation in sex chromosome. Gene mutation in autosome is categorized into two types: autosomal recessive and autosomal dominant. The autosomal recessive defect or diseases are alkaptonuria, phenylketonuria, albinism, sickle cell anemia, thalassemia, cystic fibrosis, galactosemia, Gaucher's disease, Tay Sachs disease. The autosomal dominant diseases are achondroplasia, tylosis, anonychia, dentigenous imperfecta, polydactyl, brachydactyl, Marfan syndrome, Huntington's chorea, and myotonic dystrophy. The gene mutation in sex chromosomes, especially X-linked recessive, X-linked dominant. The autosomal recessive first, we study about alkaptonuria. In alkaptonuria, what happens? The enzyme oxidase is not synthesized. If this enzyme is not synthesized, what happens? The level of homogentisic acid increases in the body, and it is also called as alkapton, and that will affect body parts different body parts, and the urine turns into become black. This is alkaptonuria. Here the gene present in chromosome number 3 become mutated, so that leads to alkaptonuria. And here the level of alkapton increases within the body and affect different body parts. The second one is phenylketonuria. In this disease, what happens? The gene mutations takes place in chromosome number 12. If the gene mutation takes place, what happens? The enzyme phenylalanine hydroxylase is not synthesized. So what happens? The phenylalanine then is not converted into tyrosine. If it is not converted into tyrosine, what happens? The level of phenylalanine increases in the body, and this phenylalanine level affects especially the children, mental retardations and pigmentation reductions. Besides that, the phenylalanine can be converted into phenylalanine or phenylpyruvic acid, and that deposited within the joints and create joint problems. That means in phenylketonuria, there is mental retardations, reduced pigmentations, and the arises of joint problems. Albinisms. In albinisms, what happens? The gene mutation takes place in chromosome number 11. What happens here? The tyrosine is not converted into melanin due to the absence of enzyme tyrosinase. what happens, this tyrosinase enzyme convert tyrosine into dopa dihydroxyphenylalanine. Later that dopa is converted into melanin and that provide pigmentations. If this enzyme become absent due to the mutation of gene in chromosome number 11, what happens, the melanin pigment is not synthesized and that leads to albinism. The fourth one, that is sickle cell anemia, and here what happens, the gene mutation takes place in chromosome number 11. Here the glutamic acid present at the beta chain of hemoglobin is replaced by valine, and this valine forms hydrophobic bond with the other proteins and responsible for sickle cell of RBC. At the low oxygen level, what happens, this cell become trapped in the capillaries. In this way, there is reduction in oxygen and blood supply to the important body parts. In this way, the body parts will be affected, and this is called sickle cell anemia. Thalassemia. Thalassemia, here what happens, hemoglobin is not synthesized. Hemoglobin alpha and beta, if alpha chain of globin is not synthesized, then it is called alpha thalassemia. If beta, it is beta thalassemia. Alpha, it is C16, defect in chromosome C16, and defect in gene in chromosome C16, and beta thalassemia, defect in gene in chromosome 11. So the beta thalassemia is the major thalassemia, but thalassemia major. The next one, that is cystic fibrosis. It occurred due to the gene mutation in chromosome number 7. So the defective glycoproteins are responsible for the formation of mucus in the secretory part, including lungs, and affect important body organs of the body. Next one, galactosemia. Here the gene mutation takes place in chromosome number 9. So what happens, the galactose is not converted into glucose. The level of galactose increases in the body and that leads to death of the baby. So the baby maximum survive up to 3 years. Here the enzyme that is called uridyl transferase is not synthesized. The GPT, galactophosphate uridyl transferase. Galactophosphate uridyl transferase, GPT, is not synthesized. The next one is Gaucher's disease. In this disease, what happens, the gene mutation takes place in chromosome number 1, and here the glucose cerebrosidase enzyme is not synthesized. When this enzyme is not synthesized, what happens, the level of glucose cerebrosides in the important organ like spleen, liver increases and affect that organs. The next one, Tay-Sachs disease, and this type disease occurred due to the mutation in chromosome number 15. And here in this disease there is weakness in the muscles, Next one, this defect occur due to the absence of enzyme hexoaminidase. Aminidase B. Next, autosomal dominant. There is another autosomal recessive. I've skipped this. That is Alzheimer's disease. This disease occurs due to the defect of alleles in chromosome number 19 and chromosome number 21 combinedly. So that leads to mental retardations and dementia. Next, autosomal dominant. The first one is achondroplasia. The gene mutation explains chromosome number 4, and here the patient becomes short height, around 62 centimeter. The next one, that is tylosis. Gene mutation takes place in chromosome number 17. What happens here? Hyperkeratizations, and the skin become more thicker due to the hyperkeratizations. The third one, anonychia, gene mutation in chromosome number 20. What happens? Nails become destroyed partially or completely. Nails of the person become, but nails of the individuals become destroyed. Fourth one, dentigenous imperfecta, gene mutation in chromosome number 4. What happens? The enamel slightly yellowish in color, then yellow color. The teeth become yellow color. Number 5, polydactyl. What happens? The gene mutation in chromosome number 7. More than 5 number of fingers. Polydactyls. Brachydactyls. The same gene mutation in chromosome number 4. And here the fingers become short. The Marfan syndromes. Gene mutation in chromosome number 15. Here there is more development of connective tissue and the joints become loose. Joints loose and formation of more connective. Huntington's chorea. Gene mutation in chromosome 4. Here muscle weakness. Myotonic dystrophy. Chromosome number 19. Muscles destruction. Dystrophy means degradations of the muscles. Myotonic. That means myotonic dystrophy is a one kind of autosomal dominant. Next, gene mutation in sex chromosomes. We have already studied in sex-linked inheritance, X-linked, that is color blindness and hemophilia. Already studied, they are the recessive. Color visions defect, and this is blood does not clot. AHF gene defect. X-linked dominant, vitamin D resistant rickets. That means vitamin D is not utilized. X-linked dominant case. And Rett syndrome, what happens here? Here mental retardation in girls, that is called Rett syndrome. So this is all about the gene mutation in chromosomes. Alkaptonuria, phenylketonuria, albinism, sickle cell anemia, thalassemia, cystic fibrosis, galactosemia, Gaucher's disease, Tay-Sachs. Then Alzheimer's disease, autosomal dominant achondroplasia, tylosis, anonychia, dentigenous imperfecta, polydactyl, brachydactyl, Marfan syndrome, Huntington's, myotonic dystrophy. Then gene mutation in sex chromosome, especially X chromosome. Y chromosome generally not happening. X-linked recessive. Why Y chromosome is not generally affected? Because in comparison to X, Y is very soft, so its mutation is generally not takes place. So X chromosome is predominant case. Then X-linked dominant, vitamin D resistant, rickets, and Rett syndrome. This is all about gene mutation in chromosomes. Thank you. Please like, subscribe, bell the icon.